Hi everyone, it's Tim's. How are you today? It's nice to see you all. You know what today we're going to do? We are going to finish the rainforest. We're going to visit there one more time. Fly on the airplane all the way over to South America. Yes. And we're going to meet a really cool animal there today. So you're going to sing circle time with me? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Circle time, circle time. Come on everybody, it's circle time, circle time, circle time. Come on everybody, it's circle time. Guys, look at all my rainforest friends hanging around me, literally hanging around me. Look at that guy. The spider monkey's like, whoa! Hanging upside down by his tail. Yeah. And we got a sloth over here. He's probably sleeping. And we got a poison jar frog here. And we got, look at him, the snake over here. But guys, today we're going to get our binoculars out and we're going to look and see what we can find, okay? Let's see. Look and see, what can we find? Look and see, what can we find? Guys, I see a book here. It's got an animal on it that has got 4 legs. And a long bushy tail. And it's got a long nose. And a long sticky tongue. It's an anteater. An anteater. Will I tell you what the book says? It says, what does an anteater eat? So his name is Anteater. I wonder what he might eat. I don't know. Do you think that maybe the book would tell me? Shall we have a look inside and see? Shall we? Okay, let's see. What does an anteater eat? By Ross Collins. Oh, guys, I'm excited. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I don't know what to give him. Here he goes. Off he goes for a walk, guys. I think he's going to try and find some food. Look at that, guys. He's got a long nose. See his long nose? Long nose. And he's got 1, 2, 3, 4 legs and sharp claws and a big bushy tail. Good morning. I know this sounds odd, but do you happen to know what an anteater eats? Look at him. And who's he asking, guys? He's asking our friend, Sammy the sloth. Look at Sammy. Sammy's delighted to see him, is he? I'm very busy. Don't bother me, said Sammy the sloth. Is Sammy busy, guys? What's Sammy doing? Sammy, you're just sleeping on the branch of the tree. You're not busy. Oh, guys. Ah, I see. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I have interrupted you, said the Anteater. Who's he going to find next? Hello. I wonder, do you know what an Anteater eats? Watermelon. Watermelon? Really? Are you sure? Oh, guys, who's he speaking to? The toucan. There's the toucan. He's got loads of watermelon. Look at all these watermelons. Are you sure? Definitely. Watermelon. Trust me, I'm a melon expert, said the toucan. Said the Anteater. I'm not completely convinced. So he doesn't eat the watermelon. He leaves it there and walks away. Excuse me? I don't suppose you know what anteaters eat, do you? Oh my goodness, guys. What is that? It goes, its tail, it ends here. It goes here, up, back, up here, off the page, back down here, loops up here, off the page, back down here. Oh, it's a snake or a boa. I'm sorry. I don't know what anteaters eat. But I would recommend that you chew your food. That's good advice. Thank you, said the Anteater. I think he's running away from this guy. He's afraid he's going to eat him. Guys, you won't believe who's after me now. Look at this guy. Oh, what is it? Yeah, it's a crocodile. Sorry to bother you. You wouldn't happen to know what an anteater eats, would you? I'm afraid not. But this old fish is delicious. Want to try some? Thank you, but no, said the Anteater. Guys, look. Can you see the baby crocodiles? Look, there's one. And there's another one. Oh my goodness. And look, there's the old fish. There's another baby crocodile. I think the Anteater's saying, I'm going to stay well away from you guys. Something that flies. Hello. I don't suppose you guys happen to know what an anteater eats, do you? Sorry, no. Can't talk. Sorry, no. Must catch dinner. Good luck. What is it, guys? They're bats. Look at the bats. You see that? Oh my goodness, look. They're called bats. And bats live in the rainforest as well. And they come out to fly when it's dark. Guys, what's he going to do? I wonder if I might ask you a question. Do you happen to know what an anteater eats? Guys, who's he asking now? He's asking the leopard. Oh my God, guys. The leopard licks his lips. I'm afraid I don't. But I must say, you look rather tasty. Oh, I really must be going. Oh, guys, he's running so that the leopard doesn't catch him and eat him. Excuse me. I don't suppose you happen to know what an... Oh, guys, he stopped talking. Can you see him? And what does he come up to? What is this? What is it? It's an ant hill. Inside that hill, there are lots and lots and lots of ants. So he says, excuse me, I don't suppose you happen to know what an... Oh, guys, and... Run! Oh, the ants are running everywhere, guys. Oh, my goodness. It's an anteater! Oh, the ants are gone. Oh, my goodness. And guess what the anteater says? He says, I know what an anteater eats. What do you think it is, guys? Oh, Lord. He says, bananas! Is he right? No. What do anteaters eat, guys? They eat ants. And the anteater didn't know. And he came up and there was loads of ants. But he didn't realise. And all the ants ran away when they saw him coming. Because they were afraid he was going to eat them. But no, he didn't know. Oh, guys. That's a funny book, isn't it? What does an anteater eat? An anteater eats ants. That's so funny, guys, isn't it? That is so funny. Oh, my goodness. Oh, Mr. Anteater. Now, guys, anteaters have 4 legs, like I showed you. And they have a long nose to smell. Show me how you smell. And guys, guess what? Their eyes aren't very good. So you know how we look around and our eyes help us look around? Well, anteaters' eyes aren't very good at all. No, they're not. They use their claws to dig. Yes, they do. They use their claws to dig down the anthills. Yeah. And then they put their long nose out. And they have a sniff. And they try and smell the ants, not the bananas, the ants. They use this guy here. And guess what, guys? He has a long tongue that's longer than his head. So his tongue is about from here to here. My goodness. And he sticks his tongue down the ant hole, the hill, the hole at the top of the hill, sticks his tongue down and he goes, and his tongue is very sticky, so the ants stick to his tongue and he brings it back in and swallows it, and then back in again, back out again, swallows, back in again, back out again, swallows. Because, guys, he has no teeth in his mouth. No, he doesn't. So he swallows them straight. Ooh. Yes. And the ants start to sting him. So he's got to get his tongue in and out really, really quick so he doesn't get stung. But, guys, he doesn't destroy the anthill. No. He leaves it there so that he can come back another day and eat some more ants from there. And guys, he sleeps a lot because he only eats ants and termites, which is kind of like another insect. So he gets very tired. He does, yeah. So he sleeps about 15 hours a day, and he uses his big bushy tail as a blanket. Guys, I've got some pictures of some real life anteaters. So here's an anteater. And here is his long nose, and his eyes and his ears up here. This is one foot, and another foot there, and then one foot, and you can't see the other one. And this is his big, huge, bushy tail. You see that? You have another one here. Here they are. So you see that? So he's got his 1, 2, 3, 4 legs, his big, bushy tail, and his long nose. There's his eyes and his ear. Look, he's got a stripe on him, doesn't he, on white legs? And his tongue flies out of this hole here. He's got to be really quick when he eats those ants, because the ants are stinging him. They hurt. So he's got to be really, really fast. Okay? And what else? Let me think. Anteaters are very special. And guys, I think we've learned over the last few days, or the last few videos, that all the animals in the rainforest are very, very special. They are, yeah. And we need to make sure that we mind them, so we can't let people chop down all the trees in the rainforest, because then all the beautiful animals that we learned about will have nowhere to live. So it's our job to make sure if we hear someone chopping down the trees, we say, no, 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 no. No, no. The animals lived there first. We can't go in and destroy where they're from. No. We have to come up with a different plan. We cannot go in and chop down all the trees in the rainforest. No way. Beautiful animals and butterflies and amphibians, they all live there. Okay? And look, imagine if you lived there, guys. Look at that. Look at that rainforest. It's got bushes and plants and trees. Look at the tall trees. And guys, and you find the most magnificent animals there, and flowers and plants. And look at this guy. Oh my goodness. So it's very important that we take care of the rainforest, isn't it? Look how beautiful that is, guys. Look at the trees and the plants and the flowers and the birds and the monkeys and the... Oh, guys, it's magnificent. And the spiders. Look at that guy. Genie Max Theronis. Oh. And, guys, it's so important that we... Look at them. Howling monkeys, look. They're like this. They're so loud. And they live in the rainforest. And some of the most magnificent animals live in the rainforest. And it's so important that we take care of the rainforest, okay? And don't let people chop down all the trees like this. Look, that's a tree that's been chopped down, and there's a forest with all the trees gone. So we can do it though. We're clever. We can make sure that people don't chop down the trees, and we take care of the rainforest. Yeah. And maybe when you get older, you might go on a trip to the rainforest. You'd have to fly on the airplane, wouldn't you? Very far away. And because it's always raining there and very hot there, you would have to wear clothes that would keep you protected, wouldn't you? Yeah. And guys, I have a song that we could sing if you're walking through the rainforest. When you're older and you're a bit more grown up, you could sing this song. Yeah? Do you want to try it with me? It goes like this, look. I've been walking through the rainforest, all among the trees. I've been walking through the rainforest, where I saw the bats and the bees, sloths, butterflies and toucans, spider monkeys and hummingbirds, frogs, snakes and spotted leopards on the forest floor. Try it again. I've been walking through the rainforest, all among the trees. I've been walking through the rainforest, where I saw the bats and the bees, sloths, butterflies, and toucans, spider monkeys and hummingbirds, frogs, snakes, and spotted leopards. Oh, I wish I could go visit the rainforest. You guys are just amazing. So guys, we've come to the end of our theme, the rainforest. And I hope you all learned something about the rainforest and something about the animals there and the people that live there and how important it is that we mind the rainforest and don't let people chop down the trees. Yeah, because that's where the animals live. And I hope you enjoyed learning some songs and reading some storybooks. And we're going to start a new theme in the next circle time, okay? So a new thing. I wonder what it's going to be. I don't know. You just have to wait and see. So guys, let's say our mantra really quickly. I say it first. You repeat it after me. So when Chims goes quiet, it's your turn. Are you ready? I am kind. I am caring. I am strong. I am brave. I am clever. I can do hard things. I am powerful. 1, 2, 3. Circle time, circle time. Come on everybody, it's circle time, circle time, circle time. Come on everybody, it's circle time. See you soon.